So good day everyone! Andito na naman tayo sa elementary statistics and probability. So pasensya na medyo natagalan ulit bago makapag-upload. So ito yung ating topic for this day. Test of hypothesis on one population proportion. Here is my sample problem. So a school administrator in Tanawan Institute claims that less than 78% of students enrolled in school are dissatisfied by the cashier service. The school administrator tests this claim by using sample data obtained from a survey of 400 students from freshmen, 400 students from sophomore, 400 students from junior, and 400 students from senior in Tanawan Institute, wherein the number of students in each level was 500 students. What is the conclusion of school administrator if he used 5% significance level about students' dissatisfaction? So, ito yung ating magiging solution. We have to state our null hypothesis, which is P is equals to 0.78, and P stands for population proportion. Then our alternative hypothesis will be P is less than 0.78. Since less than siya, so one-tailed test yung gagamitin natin. So we have the conditions normality. Ito naman siya. N times P hat times the quantity or the difference of 1 minus P hat must be greater than 3. So, saan nanggaling tong N is equals to 2,000? Diba, naka-indicate dito na the number of students in each year level was 500. So, add up lang natin siya, kaya tayo may 2,000 dito. Then, ito, the school administrator gets a random survey of 400 students in each year level. So, the sample is sufficiently large for the application of the central limit theorem. That's why we have to use the z-test for calculation. So, ito is substitute lang natin siya. 2,000 times 0.8. So, saan nanggaling yung 0.8 natin na value ni P hat? It is derived from x divided by n, wherein yung x natin is pag-add lang natin yung 400 students from sophomore, from junior, from senior, and from freshman. So, it is equals to 1,600. Divide lang natin sa n natin, which is 2,000. So, kaya tayo may 0.8 diyan. So, ito naman, 1 minus P hat, ayun yung sa normality. Conditions normality. So, we come up to 320. So, greater than 3 siya. So, ito yung tinatawag na z-test. Z is equals to P hat minus population proportion divided by the square root of P times Q divided by N. So, ang nakuha natin dyan is 2.159167585. So, round up lang natin, 2.16 siya. So, we have our alpha at 0.05 kasi diba sabi sa ating sample problem, 0.5 significance level. So, it is equals to negative 1.645. So, our z-test is greater than our alpha. We have now 2.16. So, now, ito naman yung ating rejected region. We have our p-value, which is 0.0154, which is less than naman siya sa ating 0.05. Therefore, we have to reject the null hypothesis. So, ito yung conclusion natin. With the p-value is equals to 0.0154, which is less than our alpha, 0.05, we have sufficient evidence that we reject the Null Hypothesis.
At kung nagustuhan mo ang ating video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more videos. Thank you for watching!